How to split PDF files into single pages. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to split PDF files into single pages using Forensics Document Splitter software. To install the Forensics Document Splitter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool allows the user to split PDF files into smaller segments and provide the user with variety of other document selection options. Let's select PDF option for this tutorial. It further allows the user with Choose Files or Choose Folders option. User can choose either of the options as per the requirement. Select the PDF files or the folders containing PDF files. User also have the flexibility to preview the contents of the PDF files before splitting them into single pages. To proceed, click on Export button and select Split option. To select the location, click on Browse button next to the location bar. Delete Old Folders button will delete all the old folders. Open Folder after export is done option will open the destination folder after export is done. This tool provides users with 3 different split options to specify the split process. In order to split PDF files into single pages, select Split by Page option as it will create separate files for each pages. After selecting the split option, it's time for the split process. To start the split process, click on Save button and split process will start. Soon, a new window will appear on the screen showing the destination folder. Open the folder to proceed. You have successfully split PDF files into single pages. Click Open any file to view the output. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.